Hey bears, this is Mrs. Udo. I'm really bummed not to be able to see you guys in person this year, but I look forward to meeting up with some of you during our virtual book club, which I'm the advisor for this year. And those of you that have put up some book requests on our site, we're able to connect with you during our curbside pickup, which is really fun. Should be happening every week, twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays between 5 and 6. Either me or Mrs. Losh will be out there to get you the books that you've requested. We're also more than happy to purchase any books that you want to read that we don't have in our catalog. So make sure that you get online and either connect with us via our Schoology group page, or even just the school's webpage has a link to the library on it. So I look forward to hearing from some of you for what you're reading. Also be sure to follow us on the social media accounts. We have Facebook and Instagram. If you just type in at oli.hs.library, you'll find us.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Losh in the library. I'll be helping you this year by getting books ready for you that you request from our library, as well as printing 3D print jobs on this printer behind me. I'm hoping you're having a good start to the year, and I really look forward to seeing you in person at some point.